What's up, guys? Biker Dave here at Golf Cars of Woodstock in Woodstock, Georgia. Make sure you see our social media links in the description. And also, if our video saves your life or helps you solve a problem, make sure you click the thanks donation button. You'll see it underneath the video screen. Please send us a donation because YouTube is completely free, but doing helpful videos is priceless. All right, so if you have a Denago Nomad or Rover, that's what this is, a Nomad XL. If you have one and you need to, for any reason, remove the selector switch mechanism, this whole thing right here, not that big a deal. First you have to remove the little storage bin, which is just a few Phillips head screws to lift all this out. It's a little tricky. It helps if you have a tool with a 90-degree Phillips on it, especially to get to the lid, because the lid, has these two guys right here. A little tricky to get to, but it definitely helps if you have something like this, or a 90-degree Phillips of any kind will help you get to the hinge screws that hold the lid in place. And then just these Phillips guys here, lift the whole thing out, look down in here behind it, and you see back in there, you got these plastic tabs. They're like little points going out right there. There's 4 of them. You'll just push in on them, basically. Just push in firmly, top and bottom, and the whole thing pops out. Remove the connector, whole thing comes out, swap it out, bada bang, bada boom. Also, this is where you would get to the NFC key module, for the ignition key. That's down in there where you see that black plastic with those screws. Also, it helps if you have a 90-degree screwdriver, so you can remove the whole key card module. If you're having an issue with that, that's how you get to it. And that's it. So like I said, make sure you see the thanks donation button underneath the video screen. And we really appreciate it. We got tons of other videos about golf carts, motorcycles, dirt bikes, ATVs, scooters, appliances, all kinds of stuff. Hundreds of videos on our channel. So y'all check it out. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you later.